how to stop chat backup in WhatsApp in iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, if you're looking to stop WhatsApp from automatically backing up your chats on your iPhone, you're in the right place. In today's video, I'll guide you through the steps to disable chat backup, helping you free up storage and keep your data private. First things first, you'll need to head over to your WhatsApp and then go to settings in the bottom right corner. And then once you're there, you'll need to tap on chats and then tap on chat backup. So here, if you see that your auto backup is turned on to daily, then tap on it and then just tap on off. And just like that, WhatsApp will no longer create automatic backup of your chat. And that's it. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.